Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to add today's date in Google Sheets. Why would you want to know how to add today's date in Google Sheets? Well, maybe you are new to Google Sheets. So today I am going to show you how to add today's date in Google Sheets. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Okay, press on cell equals today. Okay, press tab. Wouldn't have to complete it and close it and press enter. Here's our date. Let's use it to get days since last order. Okay, equal today's date minus delivered date and enter. Let's drag it down like this and suggest some details. Okay, let's accept it. That easy, guys. There you go. If you want to know how to add today's date in Google Sheets, that's the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to do it, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.